In the last couple videos, I made a video called bottle flipping. What was it? I got it in second. I actually got that. She made an actual bottle flip in my second try. If I did. So let's see. This time. That didn't go well. Let's close it very tightly. This time. Not this time. Third time was a fail. Oh, no, that nearly knocked off the camera. Now I'm not happy. No. Fail. Fail. I just got to get used to it. I am only a beginner at bottle flipping, and I think I know what to do now. Just practice. I think I know what to do now. Practice. And I think I just know how I can bottle flip this time. Keep trying. This time. Oh, man, here he goes one more time. Uh-oh. Maybe I just need to drink a little bit of water. Let's try it this time. Nope. Almost. I told you if I practiced, I did you. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. Subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video for more and I'll see you again soon for more bottle flipping. Until then, I'll catch you soon.